Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about trigonometric and angular function from maths module in Python. You all must know about trigonometric and how it may become difficult to find the values of sine and cosine values of any angle. Math module provides built-in function to find such values and even to change the values between degree and radians. So let's talk about how we can find the sine, cosine and tangent. So we have sine, cos and tan function in math module that returns the sine, cosine, and tangent of value passed as argument. The value passed in these function should be in radians. For example, what we are going to do is that we are going to import the math module and then we are going to define a particular variable in which we are going to assign the value of pi divided by 6. You might know that the pi is the mathematical constant representing the ratio of circle's circumference to its diameter, right? So let's do that. Let me first comment it out, and first let's import math, and then let's create a variable. Let's say I'm creating the variable a. For this variable I'm just gonna give math dot pi divide by 6. Now if I print this a, let's run it, you can see that we are getting the value 0.5235, right? Now with this value we can simulate that how we can get the value of sine, cosine and tangent. So let's say that if I want to get the value of sine, or if I want to use the sine function from math module, then how I can do that? I can simply say print math dot sine, and I'm just going to give the value or the variable which is a. Similarly, I can basically put cos over here and tan over here. Let me put a statement also, sine value equal to, and let me copy this and put it over here again. Instead of sine I'm just gonna put cos. Over here let's put tan. Okay, now if I run it you can see that we have different values. So whenever you have to get sine, cosine and tangent value of an angle, then you can use these function, this trigonometric function from math module. Now let's talk about how we can convert values from degree to radians and vice versa. So for that we can use two functions. We can use degree function. So this function is used to convert argument value from radians to degree, and we have radians. This function is used to convert argument value from degree to radian. So let's take an example saying that we'll take that pi divided by 6 which we have done over here. We'll take this value and we'll put it over here. Let me comment it out. Let's print this first. And now we are going to convert the value from radian to degree. Okay. Let's take another variable. Let's say I'm giving another variable b equal to 30. Let me print that b also. Now what I can do is that I can simply take this variable a and convert it from radian to degree. So if I simply say that print the converted value from radians to degree is, and then if I simply put math dot degree, and then if I put the variable a over here, similarly if I take this variable b and put it over here in radian, math dot radian, and put the value b over here, I need to take this radian. So we are converting from degree to radian, right? So when we'll run this line, or when we'll run this cell, we have the value of a as this 0.523598. So when we will convert this value from radian to degree, it would be somewhat around 29 degree. And if we convert this 30 from degree to radian, it would be somewhat around 0.523. So let's run this and check it out. Okay, I have an error over here. So I made a mistake. So the function is, I think, degrees, not degree. It's degrees. So let's run it again. Okay, again I have an error. So I have apparently done a mistake in the spelling of radians also. So over here it should be radians, not radian. So let's run it again. Okay, so as I had said, the converted value for radian to degree is 29.99, so you can say it as 30. I said 29. And the converted value for degree to radian is 0.52, right? So this 30 has been converted to radian, and this 0.523598 has been converted to 29 degrees. So this is how basically you can use the trigonometric function and angular function from math module in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.